Hello, my name is Ashley Lundy here at Guaranty RV in Junction City. Today I'm going to show you a brand new unit, a fresh arrival. It's a 2020 Thor 4 Winds. It is a 24BL floor plan, and it's kind of unique in that it's short, it has a slide, and it's on the Mercedes chassis and with full body paint. So this isn't something that we see every day. Comes with an outdoor TV. You're gonna have a lot of storage for its length. Inside here, you'll see the newly designed dash from Mercedes. They've done a phenomenal job, much easier to see, much clearer, works fantastic. We have your overhead bed. You have a nice booth here with a very large table as well, and more hidden storage drawers. And back here you're gonna have by this Class C standards, a very large, deep pantry wardrobe. You can put whatever you want in there. You're gonna have your 3-burner gas propane stove. You can have your convection microwave combo to save space. Nice large stainless steel sink here. Fridge, and then check this out. We have bathroom all in one. Nice little medicine cabinet. And perhaps my favorite, this slide allows us a full-size bed. And if you suck in your stomach, you can kind of walk around here. You have areas over here. You have plug-ins, you have 12 volt, you have 110, and you have USB, as well as overhead storage and a spot for your phone or your books at night. So not too common do you see one that's not a corner bed in a length this size. All nice, modern, updated colors. And outside, of course, we have that beautiful full body paint. So if you plan on keeping it for a while, this one's gonna stay looking gorgeous. You have a nice large awning for your whole side with LEDs. So you can really bring the party here and watch that TV outside. Already equipped for flat tow in your vehicle, and has a lot more storage on this side. This is a beautiful unit that just came in. If you would like to know more about this, you're more than welcome to give me a call directly. Again, my name is Ashley Lundy here at Guaranty RV, and my direct number is 541-337-2387. Thank you so much.